In this video today, I'm going to be giving you 5 passive income ideas. We're starting right now. What's up guys, my name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about making money with your laptop and your internet connection via affiliate marketing. So if that interests you, if you have any interest whatsoever in the topic, I want to show you how to make some money online. So make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notifications so that you don't miss any of my Make Money Online videos. So in this video today, we're going to be talking about 5 different passive income ideas that you can actually implement in your business to actually generate you money passively on an ongoing monthly basis. Now, I feel like this should be everyone's goal to have at least a few different passive income businesses in your portfolio so that you're always generating income and you only have to do the work once, but it pays you over and over again. So we're going to go ahead and jump over to the laptop, and we're going to talk about passive income ideas that you can actually start and implement in your actual business. Let's jump over to the laptop. All right, guys, we are back, and we're going to jump right into this video talking about passive income ideas. And guys, all the ideas and the subject matters that I'm going to be discussing today are all ways that I personally have made passive income. So I'm not going to give you like a long laundry list of 20 things that you can do in terms of creating passive income. These are going to be ways that I personally do create passive income in my life right now. And make sure you stay to the end of the video, because I will be announcing the contest winners from the previous video that we had a couple days ago. There's 3 winners that have won some cash, so make sure you stay to the end of this video and we're going to announce those winners. So let's go to jump right into this video on passive income ideas. So the first passive income idea is real estate investing. Real estate investing is a great way to start generating some passive income and create wealth for yourself and your family. Ideally, you want to be able to purchase houses, condos, townhomes, and these properties will accrue in equity. So that's going to be building you wealth over time, as well as you could be getting rental income. So if you're renting out your house and your mortgage is $1,000, but you have tenants in there paying, $1,500, then you're generating about $500 in passive income on a monthly basis. So this is a great way to literally generate an income without doing anything other than having to purchase the house. Obviously, you do have to have some initial investment if you're going to be doing real estate investing. You do need to have some initial cash to put as a down payment and closing costs, and of course you want to have money for any maintenance fees. But definitely, if you can get into real estate investment, is definitely a great way to start generating some passive income. Number 2 is investments. So just a disclaimer right off the top, I'm no CPA or I'm no financial advisor, but investing is a great way to also generate a lot of passive income in your life. So things like stocks and bonds, Roth IRAs, dividends, these things are all good things that you can actually just have your money working for you. So it's just a matter of putting your money into, these accounts, and over time they grow. Sometimes there's fluctuations in the marketplace, but for the most part, if you look at investments over a long period of time, typically you're going to gain a lot more money than what you're putting in. So it's a slower grind, but it's a great way to start building passive income over time. So if this is something that you guys are wanting to look into, and it doesn't really take a lot of money to do like this type of investments, you can start off with small amounts of money. So I would definitely just suggest you guys talk to a financial planner, talk to a CPA, and then start investing. Even if it's $100 a month or a couple $100 a month, start investing, because that money can grow. So again, I said that I wasn't any type of financial planner, so just wanted to let you guys know that. But I did want you to know that I used to be an accountant in my previous life, right? So you can see me here at my office doing accounting type work. As you can see, this is probably a number of years ago, because I had a full head of hair and I have no hair now. So that was Accountant John a long time ago. So just wanted to show you guys that little picture. So the third passive income idea, and you guys probably could have guessed that this was going to be on the list, is affiliate marketing. So again, probably one of my favorite ways to generate passive income is with affiliate marketing. And what's cool about affiliate marketing is you don't have to be the product owner. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to maintain the product. You don't have to do customer service for that product. You really just find good products and services that are out there on the marketplace, whether they're digital products or physical products. And then you find individuals out there that need these products, that have a problem, that need a solution, and you match those two up and you can actually make a commission. So this is a great way to start generating passive income in your life. There's sales funnels, there's websites that you can set up, you can get automated traffic, and you can be selling these products on an ongoing basis, generating passive affiliate commissions in your life. Number 4 is blogging. So we kind of touched on this a little bit. So blogging is a great way to start generating passive income. And it's all about creating a website or a blog in a specific niche. And then you mainly just go out and you start writing content, creating videos, and you post those information to your blogs. You're basically going to want to target keywords that people are searching for in that niche. So if it's the health and fitness niche, you would be targeting keywords and subject matters that people in that niche are constantly trying to solve their problems. So for the health and fitness niche, you could look at losing weight or building muscles or maybe even healthy recipes. So there's a lot of different things that you can tackle, a lot of little sub niches within that niche of health and fitness that you can kind of target, start creating good content, targeting those specific keywords and getting traffic organically to your blog. And the way you actually make money with the blog is, again, you could be selling affiliate products that you can recommend from your blog, as well as you could be getting AdSense revenue. So you could be putting ads on your site from Google, and you can also even sell advertisement to other people. So other people may be trying to sell their products and services that are within your niche. So you could actually sell banner ads, or you could do guest postings, and you could also make a lot of money just by, selling advertisements on your blog. Number 5 is product creation. So this is something that you can definitely make a lot of passive income with. And the great thing about product creation, especially if you're creating an evergreen product that will solve people's problems for a very long time, is that you do the work up front and you put in all that effort up front, and then the product is done, and you could be making money from the product from years to come. So the great thing about the internet now is you can create digital products that are basically online, and you can post them on your personal website, or you can have them on platforms like ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus. And these products can be sold by you for a long period of time. You can have affiliates sell your product, and it's a great way to make a passive income because, again, once the product is complete, it's done, and you can continue to generate sales from it for years to come. I also put down a book here, so you could also write a book and put it on like the Amazon Kindle store. That's a great way to just generate passive income. So you can just kind of pick niches and then create multiple books. You can even have ghostwriters create these books for you, and then you post books into that niche. And, hopefully as people are searching through the Amazon Kindle marketplace, you can start generating passive income. I know a couple marketers that do this and do very well. I also put a bonus passive income idea here. This is going to be passive income idea number 6. And I put YouTube. How could I forget YouTube? And YouTube is a great way to generate passive income. Obviously, you do have to do some work up front by creating the videos and getting the content out there. But once you have become a YouTube partner, you can generate AdSense revenue from the advertisers that are on this platform. And it's a great feeling to generate a check every single month just from people watching your videos and just creating 5-minute, 10-minute videos. It's a great feeling, and your income will just grow over time as your channel grows and as your viewership grows. So it's a great way to just generate passive income. So definitely, if you guys are into YouTube or you're aspiring to be a YouTuber, it's a great way to start building up a following and creating passive revenue with AdSense. And of course, you also can sell affiliate products from your YouTube channel in any niche that you're in. So that is my top 6 passive income ideas. So we have gone through that, and now I want to go ahead and get to the contest winners. So we had a video, I believe on a Monday, and we talked about how to generate $200 a day without selling. And I told you there was going to be a contest for 3 winners, and I'm giving out $100 in total. So the first person will get $50, and the next 2 people, the next 2 commenters, will get $25 a piece. So now we're going to go ahead and give you guys who won the contest. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I want to say that, like, I really enjoy reading all the comments. So please don't think that if you didn't win, you know, don't get bummed out, because I enjoyed every single comment. I read every single comment, and I think I replied to all the comments as well. So really appreciate all the comments that you guys left. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So, but now there was only 3 winners, so we're gonna get right into it. The first place winner for $50, the first place winner for $50 is Luke Pryor. Luke Pryor, you are the winner of the $50 first place for your comment that you left under the video. And Luke, I appreciate your comment. I can tell from your comment that you have been watching my channel. You've been supporting the channel. You've been watching my videos just because of the comment that you made. So appreciate you supporting the channel, and you are the $50 winner. So you won. That's the first place winner. The second place winner of the contest for $25, second place winner for $25 is Airport. Airport. Appreciate your commentary as well. Thank you for the comments that you left. I thought it was also funny that your timeshare presentation, I had a story about timeshare presentation. You kind of left your personal story in there too. So appreciate that. And you are the winner of $25. So the third place winner and the final winner of the contest for another $25 is none other than, drum roll, Rudai Bendai. Rudai Bendai. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. You are the $25 winner of the contest, and appreciate your commentary as well that you left in the channel. So again, guys, if you have won, so let's just go through those winners again. So we had Luke Pryor was number 1 for 50 bucks. We had Airport, you got $25, and we have Rudai Bendai for $25 as well. And you guys just send me an email to support@workwithjohnmcneil.com. Just send me an email with your PayPal email address, and I will PayPal you guys the money right away. So that was really fun, guys. That was really fun. So I want to give out another cash contest for this video. So I want to do another $25 for the best commenters. So we're just going to do $25. And this is for the best commenter for this particular video. And the question I want to ask you guys is, out of the passive income ideas that I talked about today, are you doing any of these passive income ideas? Are you generating passive income from any of the ideas I talked about? Are you striving to generate passive income from any of these ideas? Or is there any passive income ideas that I don't have on this list that you're currently doing that you can share with everybody else? So go ahead and leave that in the comment section below, and we will give out another $25 to the best commenter of this video. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. Make sure you comment below because I'm giving out another $25. And make sure you check out my #1 recommended resource to generate affiliate commissions in the description below. That will be the first link in the description. You can go ahead and plug into that system if you're looking to generate affiliate commissions. I believe that's it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.